Shad Behdeinkhlam kabahe bat paunam halum Jainta Hills kalakut mental sngi kalai tarik naitung arja pasau hajuwai hapding kejing Phuh iping de kejing wan shimbenta kinong Shad bat kipat ba basaki saudong kerensan Shad abakit bok ya kani ka Shad Behdeinkhlam Menteri rangba ulaong ba kani kejing Shad kanlong kabasuk kabakmen Menteri rangba ulaong ba ai kani kejing Shad kanlong kabasuk kabakmen ulaong ba kani ka Shad kade kabakongsan jong kajala bat kalbanang mi kisnam kanang Phuh shu Ulaong baka Sorkar kan yai beteng ban kershan ya kena Shad bat ula pentip baka Sorkar limba katanat jengok kai kala ai 100 point san Klur ya ka jingtei hakati ka jaka daki pautali kirot bala Shna daki rong bat kidur beper ringkat ke jingmut lawan ra asya Lympung Shad hakani ka Shad nalor Menteri rangba kajala ukon rat ki sama la sakhilang ki Menteri Sorkar kentup uba polling do bat kiwei
I would like to take this opportunity to wish the people of the state a very happy Behdeinkhlam festival. This is one of the important festivals of the state, and this is my third time that I am here visiting and being part of this festival. And every time I come here, it becomes even more and more colorful and more beautiful. And I love the way that the people celebrate it with so much of passion and so much of involvement, and we are happy that we can always support this festival in every possible way. And as you're aware that even the infrastructure that was created out here was created by the government through the tourism department. About 6.5 crores has been spent on this, and like this we've always believed that maintaining the cultural identity of our state and of our people is of utmost importance. So we are happy to support, and we are happy to see that our people have continued to celebrate in a very passionate manner the different cultural festivals of our state. So once again, I wish the people of our state a very happy Behdeinkhlam festival. Thank you very much.